If you see the error that says this video is not available because something is wrong with the video file in WhatsApp, here's how to fix it. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off. Avoid using any slow or unreliable networks as video need a stable connection to load. Also ask the sender to resend the video. The video might have been damaged while being sent, so ask the person who sent it to send you again and have them send it as a document instead of going through the gallery, and this can help prevent the corruption. Now try updating the WhatsApp application. Open your Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. Search for WhatsApp application, and if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest version, as using an old version of WhatsApp can cause problems with the videos. Also try clearing the WhatsApp cache. For that, open your system settings, then scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, search for WhatsApp application. Once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down, tap on storage, click on clear cache, and also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding this. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free storage space on your phone. Low storage can also cause errors with the video files. And always enable media visibility. Open WhatsApp, go to settings, and then go to chats. And now turn the option of media visibility, toggle the option on, and you'll be done. Now restart your WhatsApp application and relaunch it on your device. And if it's still not working, uninstall the WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.